I am not from Asheville, North Carolina, but I've spent a lot of time there over the years. Most recently was about a year or two ago. I went to two restaurants while I was there. One was called Yukaya. It was a Japanese smokehouse. I still think about their bok choy to this day. The other was a place called Luella's. It's barbecue, and it was some of the best barbecue I've ever had. So I'm watching these videos here on TikTok, and it's pretty upsetting to see the footage of Asheville just destroyed by this hurricane. So here's what I've done. Now, both of these videos are about 20, 30 seconds a piece. So I'm gonna put them together. This is why I'm yammering so much, because I'm trying to get over a minute because I am in the Creator Fund. And what I'm gonna do is all of the money that's generated from this video, I will donate to hurricane relief for Asheville, for the people of Asheville who've been affected by this storm. So make sure you watch to the end, watch those food videos too, because the food is delicious, and just keep this video playing in the background so we can rack up some bucks so I can donate it to hurricane relief. Let's get some barbecue.